Hello, my name is Minerva. Welcome. Today we're going to be learning how to change the indentation level of the name of a task. This means that we are going to change it whether we have indentation or no indentation without changing the structure of Microsoft Project. So to explain that, we're going to be looking at this file right here in task name. I'm going to click on it, right click, and I'm going to insert column, and I'm going to insert outline level. So as you can see, this is the outline level of the structure of my schedule. So you can see that the top level is level 1 and the other levels, level 2. If we go to view, we can do it much quickly and go to level 2. And then if we go to view outline and do level 3, we will see the rest of the schedule because this schedule only has 3 levels. What if we want to take the indentation off of the name but leave the structure? Usually we want to do this because if we take the indentation off, it will be easy, especially if we go up to level 9 or level 6. The schedule is really indented and you're gonna run out of space very quickly as it indents. So to take away the indentation so you can do a good copy of the data and paste it into Excel, you can go ahead and use something called a tool called Indent Name. So here I have it in my quick access toolbar because I use it a lot in my schedules to create reports and things like that. So I'm going to uncheck it and you'll see what I mean. So you see outline level has not changed. We still have the same structure in our schedule, but the task name no longer has any type of indentation. So let's put the indent again. Let's try to indent some of these a little bit further so you can see what I mean. So we're going to go to task, and then we're going to indent, and then we're going to indent some more, and one more. Let's go to level 6. So you can see all of these are summary test levels now because it's all the way to level 6. And so if we take the indent name option off, you'll see that it all indents to the left and everything seems to be on the same level as level 1. So how do we get this button here, this option? Well, let me put the indent back in. You cannot find this command anywhere on your tabs here. None of these have it in there. You'll have to go look for it. If you want it in your quick access toolbar, do the drop-down menu here, and then go down to more commands. And then in more commands, you're going to go and choose commands from. Make sure you are customizing the quick access toolbar. You can see it on the left as well that we have selected it. And then you have popular commands. You're going to open it up and go down to all commands. Once you're in all commands, it's in alphabetical order and you can look for indent name, or you can start typing in here, which I just did, and you will see indent name here. So then you're going to add it. So go ahead and add it, but I already have it. I can remove it first, or I can let me remove it. So when we have it right here, we can add it, and then we can move it up and down with these arrows wherever we want it. I usually like to have it at the end after spelling, and then I can go ahead and click OK. So you're not going to see a difference because I already had it there, but you can go ahead and do that. If you don't like having it in your quick access toolbar, you can actually put it in any one of these tabs. So you can create a new tab with your custom tool. Let's say that I would love to have it under task because it actually works with my task. So I'm going to right click on task and then go to customize ribbon. Once I have clicked on customize ribbon, I'm going to make sure that on my left tab, it says customize ribbon. You will also see that in the main tab right here in customize the ribbon, it would have opened the task area. So on the middle column right here, or the left column, I'm going to open it up and I'm going to go back to all commands. And then I'm going to start typing indent name. And then I'm going to click on indent name. But before that, I want to pick where I want to put it in my task. I can pick any of these groups to put it in there. I'm actually going to right click and add new group. And this new group, I'm going to rename it. I'm going to right click and I'm going to rename, and I'm going to delete the name that it was displaying and put custom task tools. And then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And then right now that I have indent and I have this highlighted or selected, you can now click on add and it will add it to that group. So once we click OK, you're going to be able to see it at the end here because we put the group at the end after editing. So let's go ahead and click OK. And now we are in the Task tab, and we have this custom task tools, and we have our indent name. So you can go ahead and click on it to take away the indentation, and you can see it works perfectly, or click on it again to put back the indentation for your schedule. That was easy, wasn't it? I hope that you found that very useful. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's free. The more people that subscribe, the more I know what videos you are enjoying and I can create more videos. Tell me in the comments if you found this video useful. And see you next time. Bye-bye.